how to reset Simplisafe base station. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Simplisafe base station. So to get started, go ahead and unplug the base station. Remove the power cable from the bottom of the unit and then wait for the power loss confirmation. Wait at least 60 seconds or until the Simplisafe mobile app shows power outage on the timeline. And then after that, access the battery compartment. Use a Phillips head screw to remove the screw on the bottom of the base station. Take off the bottom cover to expose the batteries and then remove one battery. Carefully remove one battery from the compartment. And then after that, wait for 60 seconds. This pause allows the system to fully discharge and reset. Reinsert the battery, put the battery back into its slot, and then reconnect power. Plug the power cable back into the base station. This process resets the base station without affecting your system setting or sensor pairings. And that is how you can basically reset Simplisafe base station.